Hello YouTube friends and welcome. In this video I have for you another tactical pen. So this will be the FURA tactical pen in silver finish. Here's the code if you are interested. You can find the FURA products on the GearBest website. I will post a link down below. And yes, this is one of the, let's say, value oriented full-size tactical pens. Here's just a regular size pen, and what you have here is a solid stainless steel construction. What they advertise is a carbide tip. Inside we have just a regular pen. It looks like a standard refill. Nothing special like the Fisher Space Pen. But the best part is that the cap can be screwed on the top. So now you have even larger pen or application area. You can grab on the pen. It's a nice clip, really sturdy. You can also detach this part. I don't know why, but this is how it is built. And we have here an overall weight of 78 grams or 2.75 ounces, and a total length of so in this configuration of 14.7 centimeters or 5.79 inches. Yeah, the current pricing on GearBest was $8.62, which is very good. And for a solid tactical pen, it is really a good buy, in my opinion. So if you are interested, check out the website. They have lots of other designs. I bought a couple of them, so I will be posting other designs shortly. So this was the FURA tactical pen in silver. Thanks for watching. As always, have a nice day. Bye.